Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're about to explore the transformative power of effective asset management strategies across various industries. From automating maintenance with Internet of Things sensors to leveraging predictive analytics in fleet management, you'll get a taste of how businesses maximize efficiency and profitability. We'll also show how these strategies can benefit you, whether you're part of a maintenance or operations team. So, stick around, let's get started. In the world of business, effective asset management is emerging as a game changer. It's the secret sauce to driving manufacturing efficiency, maximizing profitability, and gaining a sustainable competitive advantage in an increasingly competitive marketplace. Businesses from a wide range of industries have recognized the power of robust asset management strategies to optimize their resources, increase uptime and productivity, and extend the lifespan of their equipment. Today, let's dive into 6 examples of successful asset management strategies in different industries that have helped businesses achieve operational excellence. First up, let's talk about automating maintenance with Internet of Things sensors, or IoT sensors. Over the last 10 years, IoT and predictive maintenance sensors have started to revolutionize how maintenance is conducted. Traditionally, most organizations used a reactive maintenance strategy, fixing assets as they failed. Some others implemented preventive maintenance programs that were primarily based on time or usage metrics. But now, IoT sensors allow real-time monitoring of equipment health. These sensors can collect data on temperature, vibration, humidity, water levels, and other operating conditions on critical assets. When readings fall out of the acceptable range, an alert is sent to the maintenance team. This means that a technician can immediately address problems, potentially preventing a failure that can mean unscheduled downtime or more expensive damage to the equipment. Next, let's look at how predictive analytics is being implemented in fleet management. Whether a manufacturing or distribution company is managing a fleet of forklift trucks that primarily move goods around a facility or warehouse, or a transportation and logistics business is tracking hundreds of trucks that travel nationwide, effective asset management can make a big difference in equipment performance. By analyzing historical data and combining it with real-time information of vehicle performance, companies can anticipate demand patterns, optimize routes, and maintain their vehicles more efficiently. This proactive approach means these businesses experience fewer unexpected breakdowns, can deliver more orders on time, and may even increase fuel efficiency. This, in turn, means better overall performance and happier customers. Now, let's shift gears and talk about conserving resources in the energy industry. As more renewable energy companies have emerged, many are investing in asset optimization technologies that can help maximize the output of solar, wind, and hydropower installations. Advanced monitoring and control systems also ensure efficient energy usage and minimal waste. Asset management can actually help these energy companies reduce their own carbon footprint, enhancing their reputation among environmentally conscious consumers. Asset management also plays a critical role in delivering efficient and high-quality healthcare services to our communities. For example, some hospitals have used radio frequency identification technology, or RFID, as a key component of their asset management strategy. Tracking and managing medical equipment in a large hospital can be a challenge, and doing a poor job can mean misplaced or underutilized assets. This can lead to delays in patient care and increased operational costs. By using RFID tags on all critical medical equipment, hospitals can track the locations and status of equipment such as infusion pumps, defibrillators, and patient monitors, ensuring they are available when needed. In the food and beverage industry, optimizing inventory management is a key asset management strategy. With the slim margins in this industry, effective asset management can significantly impact profitability as well as customer satisfaction. Restaurants often have challenges in managing proper inventory levels, which can lead to wasted food, shortages resulting in customer disappointment, or high carrying costs. By using a data-driven approach, these businesses can employ advanced analytics and demand forecasting to look at historical sales data, seasonal trends, and customer preferences. This allows a restaurant to better predict demand for different menu items even at specific locations, which means it can alter inventory levels in real time. This can be carried through to the restaurant's supply chain, helping to ensure that the freshest ingredients are delivered in a timely manner and optimizing the efficiency of the entire distribution process. Lastly, let's talk about maximizing agriculture yields with asset management. IoT sensors can be used effectively in the agriculture industry to monitor soil moisture, temperature, humidity, and nutrient levels. Just like in manufacturing, this real-time data can be used to make important decisions day by day, improving the conditions for crops and increasing overall yields. Advanced data analytics tools help provide agricultural companies with valuable insights into crop growth patterns, pest infestations, and resource utilization. As a result, more informed decisions about crop rotation, pest management strategies, and resource usage could be made, reducing both the labor and costs required for crop management. In conclusion, just about every industry can benefit from asset management strategies. Whether it's adopting IoT sensors for predictive maintenance, using predictive analytics to drive decision-making, or employing RFID to track equipment, all of these data-driven insights mean greater efficiency, reduced costs, and higher revenue. Asset management strategies will continue to evolve in the future, presenting even more opportunities for businesses in all industries to optimize their operations and achieve sustainable growth. So, stay tuned to the best-of-breed practices and learn from the leaders in your industry to thrive in an ever-changing marketplace. And that wraps up our exploration of effective asset management strategies across various industries. Thank you for watching. We've discussed how businesses can utilize IoT sensors, predictive analytics, and RFID technology to maximize efficiency and profitability. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more details, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more informative content.